Welcome to the channel. Let's see how we can replace cartridge for this HP LaserJet Pro MFP M428dw printer. And without wasting any of our time, let's see let's start right away. So first things first, you notice that the printer is turned on, and before we do anything, before we do any operation on any printer or any gadget, we need to first shut it down. And we do that for this printer by either pressing the power button, press once and release. Once you press it, will give you that signal that it is shutting down, and that shows that it has shut down. Or either you can just remove, or rather disconnect the power button. Sorry, the power cable, the power line that is connected to the printer. So all we have to do is just disconnect this, and once that is done, we can then there is this switch here. You just press it gently like that. Once you press it, it will release the cover, the cartridge cover, and you just flip that cover gently. Once you flip the cover, you can have access to then you can have access to the interior. So this is our interior, and gently we hold this cartridge. This is the cartridge that we are interested in replacing. So you hold the cartridge gently, then you lift up gently still. As you're lifting up, you pull it out. Lift up and you pull it out gently. So this is the cartridge that we would like to replace. And so we get the new one. And assuming this is our new one, you just still, as you have removed it, you just slide it in. Now, one thing that you need to notice is there is this trail and then this other trail here. So this is where you see there is that gap. This is where you slide your cartridge point. You see, you just put it there and it will slide gently inside. So you can just slightly push it until it locks. Once it locks, you then push back your cover gently, and you realize that it locks. This part is supposed to be connected into the other side as well as this other one. So then you can turn on your you again connect your power line. So once you are done, you can then press the power button to start the computer, or rather the printer. Of course, it is also a computer machine. So once that is done, now there is another step. In case, for example, in case your paper tray number 1 is opened like this, what happens? What do you do? So in this case, you just, for example, if you have, let me see if I have some papers here. In case I have papers here, just like this, what do I do when I want to change the cartridge? So for this case, you need to first remove, number 1, you have to first remove the papers, the printing papers, put them aside. Then slightly fold this tray hold, and then lift this up gently, just like this. Then push it, slide it inside, just like that. Once it's done, you then cover the tray, and then do the steps that we did of shutting it down, shutting the printer down. It will shut down. Disconnecting the power line, and then pressing this button to release the cover, and then remove the cartridge, the old cartridge, and then replace the new cartridge. After that, you cover gently, connect the power line just like that, and turn the printer on. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting the Opolo Solutions. Cheers to you. Big ups.